Welcome to the first video in the series on understanding Deloitte's recruitment process and job test assessments towards landing your dream job. Deloitte's registration form is the first part of their job application process. It's an assessment based on Deloitte's core competencies criteria as outlined on their website. For your convenience, we have listed them here. Your form or CV submission will pass or fail depending on how well the content reflects these core competencies. We all know that job tests can be daunting. It may surprise you that a massive 50% of applicants will fail at the application stage due to inadequate preparation. At Greentown, we share your aims and want to make sure that you don't fall into this group. The result of your form submission remains on permanent record, so it's vital that you perform at the highest level. You have limited time to prepare and submit your application form. Deloitte vacancies are extremely popular and they disappear fast. You need to take your career seriously and practice hard to score the maximum 5 points on every single stage if you want to set yourself apart from rival job seekers. A Greentown training course is your solution and represents unbeatable value for money. Prices are hugely reduced at the moment, so there's never been a better time to use this unique service. The Greentown preparation pack includes an ebook containing full guidance and details on all aspects of the registration form and CV submission process. Instructions on Deloitte's specific marking scheme and samples of completed forms. Greentown offers 2 upgrade options to the basic pack. The first option allows you to train directly with our qualified experts from the comfort of your own home. This can be done over the phone or through Skype, giving you access to one-on-one tuition. You can book a session at a time to suit you. Our experts are even available at weekends. The second option is a further upgrade to our premium package, representing the best that Greentown has to offer. You can draw on the experience of our experts, who have previously worked for Big Four firms, to give you a major advantage against other job applicants. For the ultimate training experience, you can arrange to meet with our experts in various major UK cities. These face-to-face sessions are the perfect way to make sure that you're fully confident and prepared. Option 2 is just as flexible as the first, and we always try our best to adapt to your individual situation. Greentown has many years' experience in coaching graduates, school leavers, undergraduates, and experienced entrants. There are various entry routes into Deloitte, and we cover job test preparation for almost every service line. Whatever your education and work history, it is strongly advised that you prepare with our material before taking the actual Deloitte tests. We have limited space on the web, so if you don't see a particular job test or exercise to your preferred field, then please contact us and we will arrange relevant materials for you. It's important to concentrate on the end result, the reason why you need to be fully prepared for Deloitte job tests. Don't ruin the chances of securing your dream job with the firm. This could be a life-changing moment for you. We enjoy hearing success stories from our customers every day, and hundreds of them have been sending us positive feedback. How can you be fully confident of putting in a perfect performance if you lack Big Four experience? Imagine securing a stable job, or maybe you want to make an ambitious career move. Whatever your reasons for seeking Big Four employment, rest assured that we will take you there. We have an outstanding pass rate of 95% and over 6 years relevant coaching experience. This gives your job chances a serious boost. Our professional Big Four background gives us maximum credibility, and you can relax knowing that you're in safe hands. We have a growing social network and forums where you'll gain access to Big Four alumni professionals, senior managers, directors and partners. If you have questions related to any service line, such as audit, tax, consulting or advisory, you can discuss them here. Our experts look forward to engaging with you. After registering with us, you can discuss test questions with your peers. We've developed an advanced user panel to help you prepare for job tests and monitor your performance through detailed reports. For more information on this, please watch our user panel video tutorial. We also regularly send out newsletters and discount vouchers so that you'll benefit from further price reductions and get the latest information on our products. If you have any questions or want to book personal coaching sessions, then you can contact us quickly and simply by filling in a contact form. For more information on Deloitte's recruitment process, see the next video tutorial on Deloitte aptitude reasoning tests. Thanks for watching, and we wish you all the best with your preparation.